Good morning and welcome to Vlogmas day 19. It has been another slow starting day for me. I don't know why I feel so tired and so out of it. This morning I kind of just laid in bed. I was on Pinterest, was on Instagram, just looking up some stuff, looking up new patterns and things to make, as if I don't have enough things to make already, right? Anyway, so I'm about to go head in the kitchen and get some breakfast and then get started on my Cleo. Breakfast today is a yogurt bowl with some crumbled oat cookies on top and some sliced strawberries and bananas. I promise there is yogurt under there somewhere. So I'm going to grab on this and then get my day started.
Good afternoon.
Because it was just always a traffic to get here. And I ain't seeing none. Oh, I see them. Take out one, let me measure it though.
I know all the
It look like-
but not to be the same.
It looked like 1.5 or so.
By all.
There's 4 different colors. One of each, please, thank you. Hey, that one's smaller.
Really same size?
No,
No, this one is
it
smaller.
smaller.
That one is
Well, I want the small one, just in case. So give me them trees right there. This is the reason why I do not leave home at Christmas time. It just took me about 2 hours to get to the fabric store to get these buckles. There was also a road blockage. I don't know if there was an accident. So then I went to a different fabric store and they didn't have any. So then we had to divert to go back to where I was going originally. So 2 hours on a very small island to get to the fabric store just to get a pair of buckles. I don't think I'm leaving home again between now and Christmas. And because of all the drama and stress to get the buckles, I legit bought 1 pair in every color because I can't deal. First of all, I'm learning that when I see things, I need to get them. Otherwise, when I actually want them, I may not find them anymore. Also, 2 hours to go to that fabric store. It was really hard for me to pick up 1 pair of buckles. So I took up, this is silver. This is like an antique brass. This one is a gunmetal color and then gold. I think I'm going to use the gunmetal color for this dungaree dress. I think they said 1.25 to 1.5 inches. This one looks to me like 1.25 and all the rest are 1.5. So I think I'm gonna use this one. Hi everybody, today's video is going to be really short because I was buried in the sewing room all day working on my Cleo. And I'm almost finished. I'm on the last step, which is to put on the buckles and the buttons, and I absolutely love it. I think this is the cutest Cleo I've ever seen, if I do say so myself. Pat on the back. So yes, this is the last step. I haven't even measured the straps yet. As you can see, I'm kind of just holding it so it doesn't fall down. But this is my Cleo, no adjustments at all. And the pocket is from the darker part of the snake fabric Everything else is from the lighter part. I love the shape of the straps in the back. The only thing is that from the side, I feel like if it makes me look like I'm hanging, like right here seems a bit loose, but I guess that's just my body shape. So almost finished, and then tomorrow I can work on my neon color blocked top to go under it. Let me know what you guys think. It is past my dinner time now, so I'm going to stop and get something to eat so I don't feel sick. It's time for me to get out of the sewing room for the night. So that is it for today's video. I hope you love my Cleo as much as I do, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.